Those are my Keebler's graham cracker mini pie crusts. Now I've got some Hershey's special dark chocolate, and I've just pre-broken this into smaller strips. I'm gonna place one of these into the bottom of each graham cracker pie crust, making it a super easy but festive and delicious Halloween treat today. Because we want this to be extra chocolatey, we're gonna do a little bit of semi-sweet mini chocolate chips right around our little chocolate bars. Now this part is optional, it's just that I love chocolate. And of course you could do a white chocolate with this, you could change it up, add whatever other little candy thing you like, some peanuts, some M&Ms. If you like a little crunch, anything that tickles your fancy. Now I've just got my Pam spray and a little spatula here. I'm just gonna give this a good little spray. You're gonna see why. Because we're coming in with our jet puffed marshmallow creme, and we're just gonna go ahead and get a good little clump of this into each one of our pies. And I just find that Pam helps it, stick a little less, although you might need to re-Pam in between, your marshmallow clusters. You can also, if you prefer, use, a jumbo marshmallow or even mini marshmallows. Now I've got some green food coloring. I did say we were making this Halloween, so I'm gonna put a little bit of food coloring into each one of these. You could try and mix it in with your fluff ahead of time, but I thought it would just be easier to chisel it right onto the fluff once we've already got it in our little pie crust. And of course you can do a different color, but you're gonna see at the end why I chose to do it this way. Beautiful. Now I've got some Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookie dough. We're using the break apart, but of course you can use whatever kind you like. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use 2 cookies, and I'm gonna flatten that into a little circle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just create a topper to our miniature pies. And we are going to repeat this. Now you don't have to use chocolate chip, obviously. Use whatever flavor of cookie dough you like. I'm gonna get these pretty flat, so they're kind of gonna seal in here. And I can't wait to show you guys how this turns out. Alrighty everybody, now that we've got our mini pies sealed, I am going to pop these in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Alrighty y'all, we had our cookies here in the oven for about 20 minutes. Did take them just a little bit of time. And now we're gonna add a few special things here. You can do even more than this, but I've got these really fun eyeball sprinkles. And look at this. Ooh, just pop these in. Boop. And then suddenly we've got Halloween monster cookies. I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing this. You could always put, some bats, some other Halloween decorations on, but I'm gonna do my cookies just like this. Voila, everyone. Look at our spooky, scary little monster pies here. Oop, they're a little stuck together too. Must be all that toxic sludge creeping out of them. I have a special guest who's gonna give this a try.
Oh, I can't wait to try this. Cookies are my favorite, so okay. Let me get some of this sludge,
yes.
some of the marshmallow and cookie. Oh, perfect, okay. Mm.
Is it good?
Perfect cookie s'more pie. I love
Yes.
it. Ooh.
You gotta try it.